The question is, a sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform CHCl3. So formula of chloroform is CHCl3. Supposed to be carcinogen, which is cancer is caused by carcinogenity. Okay. The level of contamination was 15 ppm by mass, which is 15 parts per million. Express this in percent by mass. Okay. So we know that 15 ppm means 15 parts per million. Required percentage of mass is mass of chloroform by total mass into 100. Okay. This might be clear. So 15 divided by 10 power 6 into 100 is equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 4. So now the moles of chloroform is 15 divided by 119.5 by 119.5, which is the molar mass of chloroform. So we get the moles of chloroform as 0.1255 moles. But the mass of water is 10 power 6. Since contamination is 15 ppm, the molality will be 0.1255 divided by 10 power 6 into 1000 by 1000 because we have to keep the denominator in kg. So 10 power 6 is in gram, so divided by 1000, so 1000 goes up. So the molality of the solution is 1.255 into 10 power minus 4